Hello, students. How are you? Today, let's talk about there is and there are. El día de hoy vamos a hablar del tema there is, there are. Positive form. Okay? Let's start with there is. Vamos a comenzar con there is. Listen and pay attention, please. We use there is for singular noun. Okay? We use there is for singular noun. Quiere decir que vamos a usar there is para los sustantivos en singular. ¿Ok? Hay dos formas de utilizar there is. ¿Ok? Una es there is y la otra puede ser there's. ¿Ok? There's is the contraction of there is. You can use there is or you can use there's. ¿Ok? Remember, we use there is for singular noun. ¿Ok? I mean, an apple, a pencil, a book, an orange, a banana, a pencil case, a teddy bear, a dog, a table, a balloon, etc. ¿Ok? Acabo de mencionar sustantivos en singular. ¿Ok? Entonces, si yo quiero decir hay una manzana, debo de utilizar there is. There is significa hay. There is an apple. Or you can say there's an apple. ¿Ok? Si yo quiero decir hay una naranja, I have to say there is an orange or there is an orange. If I want to say hay una pelota, in English is there is a ball. If I want to say hay un libro, there is a book. If I want to say hay un lápiz, there is a pencil. ¿Ok? Y muchos ejemplos más usando sustantivos en singular. There is significa hay y lo usamos para los sustantivos en singular. Singular noun. ¿Ok? We also have there are. There are. This is a pronunciation. There are. ¿Ok? Significa hay. Pero la diferencia es que lo usamos para los sustantivos en plural. For plural nouns. ¿Ok? We use there are for plural nouns. I mean, apples, oranges, balls, books, pencils, teddy bears, tables, rulers, colors, markers, etc. These are plural nouns. For example, I want to say, hay dos manzanas. I have to say, there are two apples. There are two apples. If I want to say, hay dos libros, I have to say, there are two books. If I want to say, hay un lápiz en la mesa, I have to say, sorry. If I want to say, hay dos lápices en la mesa, I have to say, there are pencils on the table. If I want to say, hay naranjas, there are oranges. ¿Ok? Entonces, yo voy a utilizar there are cuando hablo de los sustantivos en plural y voy a utilizar there is cuando hablo de un sustantivo en singular. ¿Ok? There is for singular, there are for plural. Don't forget, this is positive form. Positive. ¿Ok? Look, there and is go together to make the contraction there's. There, this is there, and is go together, van juntos to make the contraction, para hacer una contracción. que sonaría así. There's. ¿Ok? El significado es el mismo. There is. We use there is for singular noun. So now we are gonna talk about negative form. There is, there are, but this is a negative form. Negative. Okay? For negative, we have to use the word not. Okay? Para la forma negativa solo vamos a agregar la palabra not. Okay? Not. Tanto en singular como en plural. For example, this is a pronunciation. There is not. Listen again. There is not. For singular. ¿Ok? El significado sería la forma negativa. Si hace un momento dije que there is significa I, in negative form, there is significa no hay. ¿Ok? No hay. For singular noun. There is not. But also, you can use there isn't. This is a short form of there is not. There isn't. Ambos significa lo mismo. You can use there is not or there isn't for singular noun. ¿Ok? Hace un momento dije esta oración. There is an apple. This is a positive sentence. Now, in negative, I have to change. There isn't an apple. There isn't an apple. This is a negative form, okay, for singular. And for plural, you have to use there are not. Hace un momento dije que solamente tienes que agregar la palabra not, okay? This is a negative form. There are not, or you can say there aren't. Listen to the pronunciation again. There are not, or there aren't. This is for plural nouns, okay? For plural nouns, for example, hace un momento dije esto. There are 2 apples, positive form. In negative form is there aren't 2 apples. There aren't 2 apples, okay? So this is singular, there isn't, and this is plural. There aren't in negative form. In negative form, okay? Let's read. The short form of there is not is there isn't. Okay, this is a short form. There is. Is plus not is isn't. Okay? Is and not go together to make the contraction isn't. The short form of there are not is there aren't. Okay, the short form significa la forma corta. There aren't. Are and not go together to make the contraction aren't. Isn't singular, aren't plural. Okay, so now we are going to practice the first activity. Vamos a practicar con esta primera actividad. Okay, look, there is for singular noun and there are for plural noun. Okay, I'm going to repeat. There is for singular noun. There are for plural. Now look at the picture. Look at the picture. What can you see? I can see a board, 2 chairs, books, a pen, scissors, a pencil case, sharpeners, pencils, a ruler, crayons, a computer, a notebook, a school bag or backpack. Okay, so now you have to choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. For example, in number 1, 1 computer. 1 computer. Number 2, 2 scissors. 2 scissors. Number 3, 2 purple markers. 2 purple markers. Number 4, 1 school bag. 1 school bag. Number 5, 3 pencils. 3 pencils. Number 6, 1 ruler. 1 ruler. And number 7, 7 books. 7 books. So now we have 2 options. In number 1, there is and there are. Look, 1 computer. It means singular noun. So for you, what is the correct option? There is. Okay, remember, there is for singular noun. So this is the answer. Number 1, there is 1 computer. There is 1 computer, singular. For number 2, you have 2 options. There is, singular. There are, plural. 2 scissors. What is the correct option? Yes, 2 scissors, plural nouns. There are 2 scissors. There are 2 scissors. Number 3, 2 purple markers. 2 purple markers. You have there are and there is. The correct option is there are. Okay? There are 2 purple markers. There are 2 purple markers. Number 4, 1 school bag. 1 school bag. The correct option is there is. There is 1 school bag. There is 1 school bag. Singular noun. Number 5, we have 3 pencils. There is, there are. What is the correct option? Plural nouns. There are 3 pencils. There are 3 pencils. Okay. Number 6, 1 ruler. There is and there are. The correct option is there is, because this is singular noun. So there is 1 ruler. There is 1 ruler. And finally, number 7, 7 books. 7 books. The correct option is there are. There are 7 books. There are 7 books. Let's read again. Number 1, there is 1 computer, singular noun. Number 2, there are 2 scissors, plural noun. Number 3, there are 2 purple markers, plural noun. Number 4, there is 1 school bag, singular noun. Number 5, there are 3 pencils, plural noun. Number 6, there is 1 ruler, singular noun. Number 7, there are 7 books, plural noun. Okay, so this is the activity. We finish. Don't forget, practicing home. There is for singular noun and there are for plural noun. Muy bien, chicos, eso es todo por hoy. Continuamos en la siguiente clase. See you the next class. Bye bye, students.